the time that I was there, 2019. Unfortunately, I can't feel safe here in Brazil. I hope that we have a president like Duterte here in Brazil, so I can feel safe also.
Hello everybody, my name is David and I am coming from Brazil. And what is happening to the former president of the Philippines, Tatay Digong, is not just unfair, it is an outright violation of justice. I spent a time in the Philippines, and coming from Brazil, I saw firsthand what drugs and crimes do to the communities. I saw how much Duterte did for his people, and I refuse to stay silent while he's being treated unfairly. Justice is not about politics. Justice is about truth. And the truth is that Rodrigo Duterte deserves respect, not imprisonment. So Duterte, you are not alone. We Brazilians are in your side, supporting you until all the way for you to come back to the place where you belong, which is the Philippines. We are with you and we will not stop speaking the truth because the truth matters.
Happy birthday, Tatay Digong! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring Tatay Digong home!
Yeah, we need him, the Philippines again.
Happy birthday, Tatay Digong! We love you! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tatay! Happy birthday, Tatay Digong!
Kami suporta sa ating former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kasama ng ating mga OFWs dito sa Russia, kami ay sumisigaw na bring Duterte back home.
So thankful to you for being patriotic and being a good leader to our country. You know, we will forever remember you. You are forever etched in our hearts. We love you.
Laban lang tayo. Stay safe. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay.
Ang wish ko sa birthday ni Tatay Digong is good health. Siyempre, yun yung unang-una. Pangalawa, makauwi na siya. Makauwi na siya ng Pilipinas, ng healthy. At walang maging anong problema. Ganon din po si BP Sara. Yun lang po. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong! I love you! Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ka namin lahat kamahal. Grabe. Pati anak ko, kilala ka. Kilala ka ng anak ko, pinakilala kita sa kanya. Na ikaw talaga ang the best president. I love you, Tatay. Wish ko lang talaga good health para sa'yo.
Ako si Marina Chiba. Gusto kong mag-rate lang kay Tatay Digong ng happy birthday. Lakas ng loob lang, Tatay, tapos ingatan mo yung health mo. Andito kami, paglalaban ka namin talaga. Paglalaban ka namin, taga mo yan sa bato, Tatay. Love ka namin talaga. President Marcos, pauwiin mo na si Tatay Digong. Maawa ka, matanda na siya. Please, please. Yun lang, salamat po.
Mula sa aking puso na pasasalamat at I love you so much po Tatay Digong and happy birthday! Duterte! Duterte!
Duterte kami! Kahit anong mangyari, Duterte, solid! We stand to Tatay Digong talaga! Happy birthday, Tatay Digong! Happy birthday! Mahal namin, Tatay Digong! Tatay Digong! Tatay Digong! Tatay Digong!
Happy
Ito lang masasabi namin, Tay, ngayong birthday mo na maraming humihiling sa ating mahal na Panginoon na makalabas ka, makasama ka ng pamilya mo, Tay, at ng buong Pilipino sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo, Tay. We love you, Tay, and we miss you.
Oh, happy birthday to you. From Sydney, Australia, happy birthday, Tatay Digong. We wish you to be home soon.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y lumigaya ang lahat. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong from UK with love! Happy birthday to you. Lakasan natin! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, maraming salamat.